Imphal East ki Sajiwa amasung Imphal da lairiba Manipur Central Jail gi Pheebam High Court of Manipur gi Chief Justice D Krishna Kumar na hakthengna chatunu Yengsinkhre jail gi lairiba toilet ki Pheebam sokna lairambada pendaba phongdokkhre Manipur Legal Services Authority Masal Sana Sinduna Sajiwa amasung Imphal da lairiba Manipur Central Jail da ngasi Legal Awareness Program sing pangthokre Sajiwa da laiba jail da pangthokiba thoromda sarukyakiba Chief Justice D Krishna Kumar na phongdokibada jail ani asida chatuna lairiba ka sing yengsinbada toilet ki Pheebam fatana lairamba si apenba oide amadi atai infrastructure sing fagathanbagi tangai fadaba lei haina nungnangba phongdokhi Pheebam asi yengsinbaga loinana mari leinaba authority da khanghanduna thabak laukhannabasu masalsagi member secretary Elect Muibada Khanghanki, Chief Justice D. Krishna Kumarna, Mahaki Warolda, Makataraduna, convict Tarabana Traga under trial the Ladiba prisoner Singna, legal gimating Fangnabagi, Chapchaba right lay, Supreme Court ki Maike the Gisu, Marilenaba, Legal Services Authority the order Sing Thoktuna, prisoner Sing the legal gimating Fanghanaba, Khanghan Kibalai Kray, Indian Constitution gi Article 21-22 Amasung 39A gi Makada prisoner Singi right chapchana Fanghana Wafam Pali under trial prisoner Singbu Matam Sangna detain Tauduna Thambagi Ladiba Isuasi Kokhanaba district Singda under trial review committee Sing Semle Haiki Amaromda Shioti Piba Ngamdaba prisoner Singnasu scheme for prisoner ki makhadagi lupali singni fuge financial assistance loba yagani prisoner singnasu Manipur Central Jail Sajiwa amasung Imphal da hangdokliba legal aid clinic singda chatuna legal gi mating longnaba Chief Justice na appeal tawkhi thawrangi manung chana prisoner singna hanglakpa wahang singi paukhum legal expert singna pikhi loinana Manipur Central Jail Imphal da legal aid clinic extension plaque su Chief Justice D Krishna Kumar na maikhum hangdokhi.
During the COVID-19 pandemic situation, the high-powered committee under the chairmanship of the Executive Chairman of Manipur State Legal Service Authority recommended the release of 900 trial prisoners from the central jail, Sajwa on interim bail or personal reorganization bonds to mitigate overcrowding. The high-powered committee also directed the Home Department to provide necessary facilities, including medical oxygen, within the prison premises. The Home Department was urged to constitute UTRCs in districts such as Ukrul, Kamching, Jiribam, Kamjang, Tarangum, Kankopi, Noni, and Fezwan to ensure comprehensive review process across the state.